But the tragedy in Mumbai is not only the cities, it's now India's sorrow. After all, Mumbai is the melting pot for India. Vikram Chaudhary brings us this report from Chandigarh.
This is the War Memorial in Chandigarh, and today people here are gathered for a different reason. They are here to light up candles. It's a small tribute from their side to the heroes of terror attack in Mumbai, and also for the victims of Mumbai terror attack. You can see participation from different people. Even children have come here. Let's try and speak to them. Why have you come here?
After all, these people were like us. They were staying there and they were working there. The people who died there, who were amongst the casualties, were amongst us. Staff members, the guests were there. So they are, after all, our brothers.
And so you've brought your family along with you. Yeah. It's quite a chilly.
I am a son of a soldier. I am a son of a soldier and a lawyer by profession. And I am deeply hurt by what has happened to our country. It's time for us Indians to rise and fight this menace of terrorism and crush it down as strongly as we can.
So you can see people here, even it's getting chilly out here, but people here, they're braving it to pray whatever small respect they can. I have with me another young man. Why have you come? Do you think you're paying tribute would make some difference? And also, what needs to be changed?
Definitely, it's a tribute to all of the victims and the martyrs over there. And basically, it's that everything that happened, it's all due to the religion. And what religion we are showing here is humanism. That's the above everything. So that's what we are all here for.
So everybody has a reason to be here. You can see these lights, these candles which have been lit. Every candle has a reason. And there's a small prayer also which says, we pay homage to the brave hearts who made the ultimate sacrifice so that we all can live in peace. We pray to God to grant peace to all the departed souls of Mumbai terror attack and give strength to their families to bear the loss. We also share the same emotion and pray for those souls to rest in peace.
मुंबई में जो हुआ है वो मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगा, इसीलिए मैं यहाँ पे कैंडल जलाने आया हूँ, क्योंकि मैं गॉड से बोलने आया हूँ कि दोबारा ऐसा कभी ना हो.